Hey beauties, it's me Alegra. Dolls, I just got an email from Kylie Cosmetics and it said they're giving away free lip kits this weekend only. So you know I popped on the site to find out more and probably did a little shopping, right? But what I did, guys, though, is that I found out what it's all about. It's buy one get one free lip kits this weekend only. So if you buy that Kylie Cosmetics lip kit, you're gonna get one free. You do not have to get the same two. You can mix and match. There's no promo code needed. You just put two in your cart and the second one automatically comes down to $0. It's pretty awesome. So I did go ahead and purchase one already, guys, and of course so I figured I would also have a giveaway with my extra lip kit and give it to you, dolls. So if you'd like to take part in my little pop-up giveaway for a Kylie lip kit, just be subscribed to my channel and then just comment below and let me know that you'd like to take part. I did get the shade Bite Me, so it looked like a rich type of burgundy, deep kind of burnt red shade, you know, like one of those. So I did pick up that shade because it looked really different and I do appreciate a different kind of lip. So that's what I got for you guys too, though. So if you'd like to take part in my giveaway, like I said, just subscribe. I always have pop-up giveaways. I have a huge monthly giveaway every month, so there's lots of good times here. And also, guys, if you guys want to take advantage of it, just hop on over to the website. It does end Sunday, so if you want to get one for a couple for yourself or one to give away for Mother's Day, I think that'd be an amazing gift. I'm sure they're not just the matte lip kits, they have the velvets, they have different ones. So, you know, some of them are not the drying type. If your mom doesn't, you know, like those matte ones, you could always get her like the velvet, which is, you know, more of a creamier feel and look. But I'm sure she would love it. I know if your mom's a makeup lover, she probably would love one, right? But, you know, get it for your girlfriend, your sister, anybody, you know, or just keep it for yourself and stock up and save. So they are normally $29. So I think it's an amazing time to take advantage of this sale if you can. And that's pretty much it, guys. I thought I would just pop on. I did get a package here, so I thought I would open this up with you guys too today. So I can't wait to see what it is. It's from a company called Forever Magic Cosmetics in Beverly Hills. So it just came this afternoon. So I opened this up, but I figured I would wait and open it with you guys. Let me see what it is here. I don't know what it is, guys. I remember they write me, but they had written to me, but I don't remember what it is. So it's Forever Magic Cosmetics. It looks like a brow pomade. Oh my god, I do love brow pomades. The packaging is stunning. It's like a chocolate color and rose gold on the bottom. So, oh, it says it's enriched with castor oil, but what is this? Is this a eyebrow gel? Majestic angled and spoolie brush in one, included double shade seductive, long-lasting, water-resistant, smudge-free. Oh my god. Oh, I wish, guys, let me get a mirror because I could always use a brow pomade. I actually don't have brow pomade on right now. I have just my brow pencil. So I could actually give this a try right now. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan. So that's what, oh, that's so awesome. It like comes apart so you could get it out. So here is the brow pomade. It's called Abracadabra Black. The packaging is so gorgeous. It really is. It's like like I said, rose gold, and it has like a filigree. Oh, it's really nice. It does look like the dip brow, but they're saying this is gonna last forever. So they do give you the really nice brush here. It's also like a kind of peach-esque color. I love, oh, this is super firm. I love that. That's like it's extremely firm. So you can really cut and carve out those brows. Let me try it out really quick, guys, because it's always fun if I do things with you guys. So let me go ahead and try this really quickly, though. I don't have a mirror because I for some reason I thought this might be mascara, but let's try it out. So I'm just going to use my phone. No, that's not going to work. So let me see here, guys. It's really creamy. So it feels really, you know, kind of natural. I mean, it doesn't feel, you know, sticky or anything like that. Wow. It feels very, you know, very gel-like. It's not hard. It almost feels like a mousse. It's really light. Ooh, oh my god. It's, you know, it's not clumping up. That's really nice. Because sometimes I put them on and they kind of like clump up. Wow, guys, how does that look to you, dolls? I can't believe I'm doing this without a mirror too, really, because usually I do get clumps and lumps and, you know. Oh, this is really nice. This is really firm too, the spoolie. Oh, I can't wait to play with this more. So, but apparently it's gonna be waterproof and things like that. Wow, I'm really shook, guys. I really like that. Oh my god. That must be why I wrote back to them, because a lot of times people write to me and I don't, I'm not trying to be, you know, but I don't even write back because I don't have time. And I don't really like to accept things if I don't love it, you know, or if I don't know. So I must, wow. So what did it say on the box? It's waterproof, it's transfer proof, majestic angles. I love how this is like a chocolate and rose gold color. It's enriched with castor oil. That's why it's really creamy. It's really, really creamy. But it doesn't have mineral oil in it, and it doesn't have parabens. So it's like made in the USA. So that's really great. The packaging is so pretty. It has like a crystal wand on it. This is really beautiful. It feels like really nice high quality paper. So I love this. Wow, I'm gonna use that again on I don't know, guys, I'll do another video so you could, I hope you could have seen that. I don't know if you were able to see or what, or who knows, it could be a hot mess right now. I don't even know. I don't know. That was amazing. It must be the castor oil. It was so creamy when I put it on. Like it just glided right through. It wasn't chunky, it wasn't dry, so it just, you know, effortlessly moved through my brows and put them in place. So that was really awesome. Wow. So thank you to Forever Cosmetics for sending that to me. I'm super excited to do another video. I'll do another video and show you guys. forevermagiccosmetics.com. If you guys are interested, I'll link it below. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to pop in really quickly and let you guys know about the free Kylie Lip Kits. And I wanted to let you guys know too, I got one for you dolls. So again, just subscribe to my channel if you want to take part, and just comment below and let me know that you'd like to win, the best way to reach you. And that's pretty much it. I'll pick a winner next week. So I do have quite a few pop-up giveaways going on. If you guys want to check out my other videos, I have a giveaway for the Avengers palette. I have a pop-up giveaway for, well, of course, I have my huge monthly giveaway going on. So there's so much, and I have other stuff for you guys. Videos are coming up. I filmed them already, so I have some other great stuff too for you dolls. So keep your eyes open for, you know, there's a lot more giveaways coming. I have some amazing luxury skincare for you beauties that I'm going to be posting up soon. So I figured I'll have pop-up giveaways, so this way, you guys had told me that in the past that you prefer me to have like more pop-up giveaways than just one huge one. So I thought that was so awesome of you dolls, because you could have said just have one winner win everything, and I had asked you guys on a live one time or something, and a lot of you beauty said, no, have like small pop-up ones so more people can win. I thought that was just so amazing of you dolls. So that's what I'm doing, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I do have a I did get the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer and setting powder. So I'm gonna do a video with that soon, guys. I am wearing it today. I'm wearing the concealer and the setting powder. I'll just tell you guys right now, if you guys, I'm gonna do another video though, but let me just let you guys know now, if you do get the setting powder, I got the translucent shade, and I would not recommend that for baking. That is for me best as like a finishing powder. So with a brush, not with how I usually do it with my sponge and I kind of bake. I would not. I tried that today with the Jeffree Star Magic translucent powder, and it was it didn't work out. So I would definitely use that Jeffree Star translucent powder as only like a finishing touch, because as a finishing touch, it definitely gives you like almost a doll. Like it's really mattifying, and you know, it gives you a certain kind of look that's really pretty. But to try to bake with it did not with the translucent shade, it didn't work for me. Maybe the other shades would have been better. I don't have them. I only got the translucent powder, but I thought I would let you guys know about that though, in case you did get it. What are your guys' thoughts? If any of you guys got the translucent powder, did you use it to bake? What was your experience? Because like I said, I did use it like I normally do to set my concealer, and it didn't work for me. But the concealer is so full coverage, creamy. It covered, I have a tattoo, it completely covered the tattoo, and it was moisturizing, but then it dried down really matte, and it's a really, really beautiful full coverage finish. It's really, really gorgeous. I thought I would just pop in though, guys, and say hi, that you guys know about the free lip kits, see how your weekend is, see how you guys are doing. I did also get this wig on eBay, and I'm just loving it. It was only $10, but it's so much fun. You know, it's synthetic hair. It's like kind of like, but I love it. It's kind of dollish, but in real life, but that's fun. You know, if you guys like to have fun, you know, just play around and things like that. This one was only $10, so and I also got a blonde one, and it's gorgeous. It's really stunning. It is kind of like doll hair, like I said, but I think it's really fun, you know. And like I said, only $10. So I'll link this hair below too if you guys are interested. I think it's really, really amazing. Wait till you see my blonde one. I love it. But the hairline is no good unless you know how to pluck and work it out and make a nice hairline. I'm working on mine, so you know, that's why I wore the headband with it, because you can disguise the, you know, their hairline, which is like not really, of course it's not that great quality, but you can work it. If you guys know how to work it, you know, you can work it and pluck it and things like that. I just got this today, so I haven't had a chance to work on it yet, but I love it like this with a headband. It's like so much fun. So I'm going to let you guys go now. I know you guys will probably have a million things to do. Let me know what you're up to. How's your week going? How's your weekend going? But that's pretty much it, guys. So actually, I'm wearing the Kylie Lip Kit in Autumn today. If you're interested, if you get it on the site for the sale, this is a gorgeous color. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. So I thought I would just let you guys know about that. But anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.